The overall goal of this high-throughput resizurin-based fluorometric assay is to monitor the effect of genetic or pharmacological manipulations on NADH2 production, which is a measure of metabolic rate.
This method can help us answer key questions in the obesity field, such as the effect of a given drug or gene on metabolic rate. Additionally, this assay can be applied to screen for potential drug-drug or drug-gene interactions in a whole animal system. The main advantage of this assay relative to oxygen consumption assays is the high throughput and the accumulation of signal across time, which allows the user to detect small differences in metabolic rate. Demonstrating this procedure will be Carolyn Foy, a graduate student in my laboratory.
After preparing a 60x stock solution of E3 medium according to the TEX protocol, prepare 1x E3 medium by diluting 16.5 milliliters of stock in 1 liter of double distilled water. Then add 100 microliters of 1% methylene blue. To make a flame-polished disposable pipette for egg and fish transfer, use scissors to cut a graduated disposable transfer pipette at the 0.25 milliliter graduation. Then, to remove the rough edges, use a Bunsen burner to flame polish the cut tip. After setting up zebrafish crossings and collecting eggs, allow the eggs to settle to the bottom of the dish and pour off the water. Use a fine-tip disposable transfer pipette to remove any remaining water, then add back the E3 medium.